Hello. Today we're going to make a nice robust salad with the help of some of the ingredients from our local Mediterranean store. Come on up and I'll show you how to make it. It's easy and you can use this as an inspiration for your own salad. Okay, I just wanted to make an easy salad today, but an easy salad doesn't have to be boring. So I'm starting with what we usually like to have on the base, some nice crisp fresh lettuce. I'm going to make 2 salads here for our dinner tonight. And I have some nice iceberg lettuce that we're putting down first. And like I say for all my recipes, use this for an inspiration for what you have in the house or what you like to use the most. Alright, now next I'm going to take one of these nice little cucumbers, and I never really peel these, just cut off the ends. And I'm going to slice it nice and thin. Spread that out on each plate. Then I have these gorgeous little onions. The only place that I have found these locally is in the Azar Mediterranean market. And every time I go there, I pick some up. And I don't really cut them in slices. We just like to eat them bite by bite. So just cut off the end and make it fresh. And then I cut off enough so it's like a little handle. And these are nice to dip into your salad dressing. So we'll place them 2 on each plate, and then taking the greens like a regular scallion after you get that bulb cut off. Alright, and we're just going to make some slices. I'll save this for some soup later on. Toss these around the salad for some nice green onion flavor. Then I have a couple small tomatoes. These are nice and firm, and I'm going to cut them into quarters, but I'm not going to cut them all the way through. So it can be displayed on your salad like a little dish. I'm going to put a little rosette on the side as well. When the salad looks so interesting, it's much more appetizing. And a lot of us eat salads every day, but this is a way to make it different every time you make one. Okay, there's a little rosette. Now, when I said I used some items from the Mediterranean store, here's what I'm talking about. I have this gorgeous chickpea salad with cilantro and tomatoes. It's pretty much like a pico de gallo salad with the heavy on the cilantro and the chickpeas for some nice protein. It's delicious. It's also very garlicky. And we're going to take that salad and place it right in the middle of that tomato. Isn't that pretty? And then when you eat the salad, you find a nice tomato on the bottom. Okay, we're going to do that with this one as well. Very pretty. All right. Also at the Mediterranean store, I found these grape leaves. Oh, they're so good. They're perfectly rolled and prepared. And I'm just going to also put them on the salad plate. And we want to space them out with the onions. I bought 8 of them, so we could put 4 on each plate. Isn't that nice? And that's a lot of work, so save yourself a lot of trouble when you buy a prepared food from an authentic store like Azar Markets. Okay, now I will like to add some nice avocado. And I bought some nice avocados there this week. We're just going to slice through one of them. They're perfectly ripe. And we'll remove the pit. I just like to make some cubes out of them. We'll turn them right out onto the salad. A little on each side. For variety. Just make a little checkerboard, and when they're nice and ripe, flip them out of the shell. And then position them where you like. There we go. Now I'd also like to add a little tanginess with a fresh clementine. A little extra vitamin C doesn't hurt, right? We're just going to take a clementine and put some segments around each one. It's a nice, these are very small clementines, so I'm going to use 2 for these 2 salads. And you can see that's going to really balance the flavor of the garlicky grape leaves and the salad with the chickpeas. It's going to make it delicious. Now I'm taking lime and just putting a little lime juice on this. Just a squirt. Mainly I want the lime juice to cover the avocado to keep it nice and fresh until we sit down at the table and have our dinner. Now if you'd like to add your own dressing to this, a nice oil and vinegar dressing or a red wine vinegar dressing with some herbs is nice. At our table we usually choose blue cheese, and that's what we'll top it with. And just pour a little of our blue cheese dressing, our favorite, on top. And sit down to a nice healthy dinner. Try this salad, or the idea of adding some ingredients that are already prepared to make it very interesting and different and very delicious. Thanks for watching.